How to add multiple stocks on TradingView Watchlist. The very first thing you want to do is to open TradingView. Enter your login credential and sign into your specific account. Well, in the display, you can see my watchlist over here. This page is open automatically when you log into your account. Well, you can use this to select any of the stock that you would like to watchlist. Well, now you can add whichever stock that you want to. You can add more watchlist if you have a subscription. You can also rename the name of your watchlist. Simply click on the previous name and then change it to new one. Now, in order to add multiple stock, click on this plus icon at the top right. Tons of different stocks will be available to you. Search for the specific stock that you want to add. In order to add, all you want to do is click on these stocks, or you can simply click on this plus icon. And if you go back, here you'll be able to see that your stock has been added. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add multiple stock on TradingView Watchlist. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.